literally.
Okay. Open the present. What does the card say?
What was the present?
Yeah, we'll read the card later.
The card says, our grandson here, because our whole life is love.
That's nice.
Lots of love. Kisses on your 7th for anxiety.
If you look in the camera, I'm going to send this video to him.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
What?
Open it up, son.
Is this a book?
Open it.
I know it's a book.
And I got some Kevlar tape.
I know this is a book. I know it. I know this is a book.
It's got that book feel, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Plus it's got books on the pictures on the wrapping paper.
It's a Pokemon book.
Woohoo! Stickers!
Oh, yes.
Is that the one we were looking at the airport? Well, I told you we shouldn't buy it.
Nice.
Want to say anything? Hey. There you go. Smile like that. It's pretty nice. Okay, let me shut this off. You want to open the other box real quick?
Open box?
Open the other box.
Yeah, which one?
The one behind you.
Where's the other box? Oh, it's right behind me.
Dory.
I'm a goldfish.
You're a goldfish? What does it mean?
It means that you forget stuff.
Oh.
Another
What's that?
cards.
Let's see. Pokemon Black and White. What does it mean? Look, you got a little Pokemon guy.
Ooh. Can I open this?
Open it later.
Oh.
No, don't open it now, because it's time to go. Say bye. Say bye to the camera.
Oh, I
Say bye to the
don't
camera.
want
Come on.
Open it.
No,
Fast.
yeah. Well,
Whoa,
sure, open it.
Pokemon.
Alright, but I gotta shut the camera off. Say bye. Yeah, no, say bye.
Bye. Thanks.